Medi-Vac, a global leader in fluid management. Wherever we're from, whatever we do, in healthcare, we're all connected through a common purpose. We want the best for patients, and we want the best for our colleagues. At Cardinal Health, we focus on safety, quality, and efficiency in all that we do. Medi-Vac fluid management products are no exception. We offer a complete portfolio of fluid management products to give you everything you need, all in one place. Our single-use systems deliver exceptional performance and provide hygienic, safe, and efficient disposal of liquid medical waste. Designed with convenience in mind, Medi-Vac rigid canisters require minimal hardware and are available in a variety of sizes to meet all of your suction and fluid collection needs. Our semi-rigid liner is one of the most economical and widely used fluid waste collection systems in the U.S. These liners provide the benefits of both hard canisters and flexible liners. They're sturdy, yet lightweight, and easily stacked to help maximize storage. Flexible liners offer a competitive price with enhanced safety features. Pre-sealed lids and one-way valves offer extra assurances of safety for your staff. These three systems, together with a large volume canister, the Medi-Vac waste disposal system, tubing, yank hours, and accessories, provide a complete portfolio to ensure you have the right fluid management solution to fit your needs. Medi-Vac, a global leader in fluid management. For more information about Medi-Vac fluid management products, please contact your Cardinal Health sales representative or visit us online at cardinalhealth.com/Medi-Vac.